Okay, I found this problem on internet. A over 3 equal to B over 5 equal to C over 7, and A times B times C equal to 840. So what is the C? Okay, so what we can do, everything can be represented by C. How about that? So A over 3 equal to C over 7. So A equal to 7. On the bottom, 3C. And B over 5 equal to C over 7. So B equal to 7 on the bottom, on top is 5C. So what we can do, because A, B, C equal to 840, so A is 7 on the bottom, 3C, A, 3C over 7, times B, 5C, 5C over 7, times C equal to 840, right? So 49, 15C cubed is 840 divided by 5. Divided by 5 is 100, 148, and divided by 3 is 5, 6, right? So C cube equal to 56 times 49, which is 7 times 8 times 7 square, which is 756. 2 cube times 7 cube, so 14 cube. C cube is 14 cube, so C equal to 14. And we will bring it back to prove. So to prove it, we get this answer, but we need to prove it. So C equal to 14, then A is 3 times C 14 over 6. A is 6. B is 5 times C, which is 14 over 7, is 10. So A is 6, B is 10, C is 14. We bring it back. A over 3, 6 over 3 equal to B over 5. 10 over 5 is 2. C 14 over 7 is 2. So there's no doubt C is 14. One and for all. One and for